Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to block third-party sign-in permission on the Facebook app when using your PC. Updated for the latest changes. If you've ever been worried about apps or websites using your Facebook account to sign in, this is for you. Taking control of these permissions keeps your information more private and your online account safer. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and right at your main Facebook page. Look to the top of the screen and find the three dots. Click on these three dots. This will open a menu with more options. Next, select App Info. When the settings window appears, you'll need to enter the Settings section. You might have to scroll a little, but you're looking for where it says Settings. Inside Settings, look for More Settings and Permissions. This area contains several options about what the Facebook app can do and what you allow. Now, find the option labeled Third-Party Sign-In. This is the control that determines if outside apps and websites can use your Facebook account to log you in or access parts of your information. To block this kind of access, simply choose Block right next to the third-party sign-in option. With just this step, you've successfully blocked third-party apps and services from using your Facebook credentials for their sign-in. This means those apps will no longer be able to pull your Facebook information or use your credentials as a shortcut. Taking a moment to review and change your permissions like this is an easy way to tighten up your online privacy. Even if you've connected apps by accident in the past, making this change puts you back in control. Thanks for following along.